Create this kind of tassel earrings with decorated top part for upcoming Christmas. How to create perfect tassels, I have a video course, or you can use just tassels what you can buy from AliExpress or eBay or somewhere else. But in these earrings I use my handmade tassels which I created from scratch. Let's start. As you remember, in my last video we created this kind of Christmas bracelet, so I decided to create matching earrings to make it as a set. If you would like to know how I created this bracelet, I will leave the link below this video. All necessary materials what you will need to create these earrings I will add as well in description below this video. We will start with our head pins and crystals and seed beads, what we will use for our decorated part. I will just enter with every pin to every crystal or seed bead. Now I take round nose pliers and I bend all my pins. Now I will create loops on every pin. If pin is too long, I will just cut a bit extra, but I will leave enough wire to bend it twice. My elements are ready. Now I need to take my eye pin. I will open my eye pin. I will enter under the belt on my tassel. And I pull it like this. Now I will close. And I will start to add my crystals. When my elements are on their place, I will take one more crystal to decorate it till the end. This way. Now I will bend my eye pin. I will cut extra. And I will create a loop. Now I will take my hook, I will open it, I will attach my earring, and I will close it. Our earrings are ready. As you can see, using this simple tutorial you can create from the simple tassels very elegant and bright earrings. If you would like to create this as a set, you can check my previous tutorial and create it as a gift for someone special or for yourself for upcoming Christmas and New Year. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial was useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye!